Lord and is here today. We believe that He will help us and lead us and lift us in the name of Jesus. Yeah, egameni lakhe nje ngoba nje uyazethemba yena njengoNkulunkulu. Amen. Yenzeka futhi kusazokwenzeka. 4.
Ungubani wena ntaba enkulu?
Okay.
Phambi kukaZerubabele. Uyakuba yithafa. Uyakukhipha itshe eliyinhloko.
Okay.
Ngokumemeza ukuthi umusa mawube kulo.
Verse number 6.
Yayisithatha isho kimi ithi, lokhu kuyizwi likaJehova kaZerubabele lokuthi kungabi ngempi, kungabi ngamandla, kepha kube ngomoya wami kuphela.
That's good.
Usho uJehova.
Usho bani?
uJehova.
Bese uyaqhubeka uthini?
Ungubani wena ntaba enkulu?
Ukhulume nami uthi ngubani wena ntaba enkulu? That's good. That's good.
Phambi kukaZerubabele.
Hambe kukabani? Hambe kukaZerubabele.
Uyakuba yithafa.
You will be a plain. Hallelujah. You will become a plain. You will become a what? Plain ground. Plain. Intaba kodwa before Zerubbabel, you will become a plain ground. A plain ground. When men meet God, noma bangadibana entaba enganani, it will be a plain ground. When umuntu adibana nentaba makahamba noJehova iyoba blood. Mangabe lentaba iyinkinga lephambi kwakho ubaba uyenza ibe blood. So there are mountains that are not waiting for God to show up. They are waiting for you as Zerubbabel to make them plains. Kuneyintaba ezingalindeli uJehova zilindele wena to turn them into plains. The fact that you are from God, you can make them plain grounds. So some things are not waiting for somebody else, but they're waiting for you because you had a meeting with God. You came to a service and uNkulunkulu wakhuluma nawe. So you are no longer calling the prophet now. You are just making the mountain a plain ground. So fighting should be in your bloodline and should be in your blood. You must choose to fight until mountains become a plain ground. There are many ways of dealing with the mountain. Some people leave the mountain there because they choose to fly. Some people will climb the mountain. Some people will make sure that they drill a hole. Some will go around the mountain. Some people will go under the mountain. But the type of Zerubbabel, when I leave, there shouldn't be any mountain. I'm not slow. I'm just removing a mountain. I'm not slow. I'm just removing a mountain. Some of the people you're walking with and working with, they think you're slow, whereas you're dealing with the mountain. You are leaving it as a plain. You want to leave it as a plain ground. So maulu anezinyizinto or umena abanye bantu slow na uko slow. Bona they are climbing the mountain. You are removing the mountain. Don't listen to people who are climbing the mountain when you are in a mission to level up the ground. Because you are questioning why there is a high ground there when God said you will walk freely upon those grounds. Some people are avoiding the mountain by flying over the mountain. So sometimes we can fail a mission we have been sent by God to be in or be part of or to lead because we are choosing to fly instead of fighting until it's a plain ground. Okay, there are people in this life who are on the other side, but they are disqualified not because but because they were supposed to make sure that the people will come after them will not see a mountain, but they will find a plain cloud. So if you are under the order of Zerubbabel, you don't have to climb the mountain like Moses. You must level the mountain until it becomes playing ground. Because we might be fighting the same thing and carrying ammunitions that are not the same. We might be in the same battlefield, but I'm told to slay Goliath until I lift up the head, whereas we are told to chase after other Philistines until they die. Mina okwami ukuphathikanda ngoba nguDavide la Goliath iliphathe ngesandla ngibuyelana nokusawula. So ukumgwaza akukho enough, ukumshaya awe akukho enough, but ukubuya nesodi yakhe nekhanda lakhe, for me as David, that's what is enough. So some people are not staying back in things of the past. They are dealing with them until they are no longer in the past. Abangizwa labantu bathi ngikhuluma nabo, abanye abantu ayikuthi basukile endleleni lababizelwe kuyo, abakasuka, abanye bekho slower ukuthi they are making sure that their lineage, their bloodlines, their generation don't have to deal with what they dealt with. Some people will deal with these things and leave perks there and leave marks there and leave signs ukuthi bebakhona balapho balwe nako nabo bangalwa nako laba balandelayo. But abanye bafana nathi, if you're battling with something, I'm not stopping until it's removed. I don't want my people to make reference of land subabuyo, but in nayo lendo oke wabhekana nayo. I don't want to leave a dent and a dirt in my path. I want to make sure that I annihilate, I destroy, I remove, I make sure it becomes a plain. I don't know what bakona abantu bamla kodwa thina sinjalo. Ohambana mufano Zerubbabel manje asikhuphuke ntaba siyayisusa. iBhayibheli lithi ngokukholwa Matthew 21 and 22 lithi uyothini le ntaba kukulento ephonseka olwandle iyenzeke njalo. So if you leave mountains behind, it means you had the choice to remove them, but you didn't remove them. I'm here to charge you to choose to fight. I'm here to charge you to choose the fight. I know with the phambi kwakho awukazombona umamakho babakho noakina yenza, but choose the fight, not because you love war, but because you have to take over. You have to set an indelible mark for the people of Israel. Bazut wayakhona obekade susa indaba yayikhona ibulldozer ekhaya eyalwa nanako wangasabonakala. But ngiyokhuluma nawe, choose to fight. Don't plead, don't beg. Uthi nomuntu ekhuluma nawe athi please don't fight, bese yamtshela don't beg me to stop fighting. It's my decision. I'm not here to debate about this. I'm here to fight. I chose the fight. Choose ukusindiswa, you are choosing a fight. Choose ukubusa uThukulunkulu abusa phezu kwempilo yakho. I'm telling you, you are choosing a fight. It's not a debate. It's not a discussion. It's not even delusion. You are making a decision that I'm choosing the fight. While others are letting go, I'm choosing the fight. When others buy a move, I choose the fight. Don't beg me to stop. Beg me to win. Don't beg me to go back. Beg me to go forward. I'm thinking about the I chose this. Who are you, oh great mountain? Before Zerubbabel. Who are you, oh great mountain? Before Agazim Kumalabanda. Agubiel and Taben Sagi. That's what. Who are you? Before a son of Elohim. Who are you before a child of God? Nindaba yokugula kukhona wena. Angabayena labantu angazi bake bantu wamama kodwa angazi bakhona ngapha. Who are you? Ask addiction esekhala lakho. Who are you? Ask problems asekhala kina. Who are you? Ask unemployment. Who are you? Ask confusion. Who are you? No matter what great mountain, but who before me? Not before just my God, but before me. Who are you? Who are you? Not where are you? Who are you? I know where you are. You are in my house. You are in my family. But I'm asking one thing. Who are you? How dare you chose to be elected here? How dare you do this to me? Who are you? How can you fight my progress? How can you fight a prophecy that is over my life? How can you fight a prayer warrior? How can you fight a child of God? Who? I am the command. Who? Ask everything. Ask headache. Who are you? Ask fibros. Who are you? Ask cancer. My son's who? If you not let in the name of this is not a center of the soft. This is a center of warriors. This is not an arena of weaklings. This is an arena of warriors. You are in the barracks. We are the sons of Elohim. So if we're sons of Elohim, we have battles. Esilwa nawo in our bloodline. Umlilo. Egazini lethu ugijima umlilo. Athu Jeremiah kabyala kube ngathula ngoba lento iyavutha la ngaphakathi kwami. I'm not here to debate with you. I'm not here to discuss with you. I'm not here to do anything else except to push you to far. They never push to build up. You must push to build up. They never pushed up to create a legacy over your name. I will push up until it happens. I will push up until there is a heritage. I'll push up until they write my name in the book of history. Record my name. Because I'm not stopping until I get results. I'm not stopping until I get rewarded. I'm not stopping until great things happen. Who are you to stand before a great man? Okay, can I send that about sorry. Who are you? Who's all great mountain? So tell us what you're cool. But I see Kulub now. I know you are great but not greater than me. I know you are big but not bigger than me. I know what I'm asking but in Lama. Let me ask you what I see Kulub now. Who are you? You are a great mountain. You are a great leader. We are Sira Paula. But who are you? Who are you? Even the Kalsan, the booze, Ingman, Yensa. When the demon is from Tanag, get the camera in log. Who are you to terrorize my kids? Who are you to destroy the future of my kids? Who are you to crush? Umntana lo wavela kuJehova iBhayibheli lithi umntana usibusiso esivela kuJehova buza lento. Who are you ngene kamereni lakhe? Who are you asesikoleni? Who are you ube busy ngayo lento uthi namhlanje back to bed and leave this house? I'm sending you with an eviction notice. Your time to reign here is over. This house is under new management. A leader is here, a son of God is here, a child of God is here. You can't stand when a child of God is standing. Who are you, O great mountain, before me? Who are you? I built this house brick by brick. Who are you to come in and fight this? Who are you to make me sit in Miami? Who are you to take it up like this in the name of? I'm wired for war. I'm wired for war. When you oppose me, you'll be in trouble. When you bring change, you'll be in trouble. If you chase me, you'll be in trouble. If you come for me, you'll be in trouble. If you come wired for war, I'm wired to fight. I'm trained to fight. I'm taught to fight. I'm wired for this. You oppose me, I fight you. You come against me, I fight you. I'm wired for war. If you subjugate me, I will fight back. If you suppress me, I will fight back. If you oppress me, I will fight back. I'm wired for war. I'll fight for this. I'm wired for war. Sculpted for battle. I'm anointed for victories. I'm wired for war. Sculpted for battle. And I'm wired to win. Born and anointed for victory. Come for me. Please come for me. Come for me strong. Come for me. Come for me with the label of being a champion. I'm wired for war. Fight your battles and come fight me. I'm wired for war. But I'm wired for war. But I'm wired for war. I'm wired for war. I'm wired for war. Don't start with me. Don't start with me. I'll end your reign. I'll reign on your parade. Don't start with me. Don't start with me. Abantu ufuna babheke ukuthi hey ubonke ngabathinta wakhetha mina. Hey ubonke ngalwa nabo ngakhetha mina. Hey I made a mistake. Bakubona ngokuthulile. Bakaba ukuthi awulwi. I'm wired for this. I'm trained for this. Somebody shout, I am a warrior. Bazi labantu. Babona uhlelo. Babona uthulile. Babona uhlala kakho. Hey. Don't you dare. Kakumba akatalo uzabaya kale. Don't you dare. Bathinda bani ihlavu yesho la Jehova. Bathinda bani usentende ngesandla sakhe. I'm wired for war. Izwa kahle makunempi. Mayingekho umzubuhlungu. Sothi angenze next. Izwa kahle makunempi. Confusions are a catalyst. Clashes are a catalyst. Collusion are a catalyst. You will see my true colors. Come against me, I'll show you that there's fire in my bones. There's prayer that will shake the ground. In the name of Jesus. If I'm sick, I fight. If I'm sane, I fight. Even when they call me names, I fight. When I'm low, I fight. When I don't have money, I fight. When my house has disorder, I fight. When I'm dishonor, I fight. When people distance themselves from me, I fight. When things are not going my way, I fight. Yeah, when I'm not about to show you, my belly is not spawn about Shashanova. Touch my business, you will see. Touch my family, you will see. Touch umsebenzi wami uzobona kahle. Thinta into zami uzobona kahle. Somebody shout, I'm wired for war. Psalms 18 verse number 34. Psalms 18 verse number 34. The Bible says he teaches our fingers to wage war, so that even the arms can bend the bow of bronze. Izandla zakho zitheniwe ukuthi zilwe. So tihambe endlini manje ufike ukhombe abantu bakho. You are a great person. Ukhombe enye into engaphakathi kwakho. There is nothing bad with you. Kanti isandla sakho sinamandla. You can point at a finger bese kwenzeka isimanga. Kwaba kwenzeka ngenye imina ahlaseleke ama-Israelites ahamba nomprofeta pinda ahamba nengwele ebeyibizwa ukuthi uJoshua ilapha phansi iphethe isoda. iBhayibheli lithi yaphakama engumprofeta, yaphakama no-Arona, yaphakama noHure, yasithi nkani nginikeza isikhala, nkani ngisize, ngifanele ngiphakamise izandla. Lithi the more Moses aphakamise izandla, ingwele enguJoshua elapha phansi yayibasilisa. Angazi ngikhuluma nobani la as I raise my hand. Angazi ubhekene nana yonke into obhekene nayo. I stand as the Moses of your time. We are ngoba manje. We are ngoba manje. We are ngoba manje. We are ngoba manje. In the name of nobabeka izandla bawuphi. Mark 16 going down. Nobabeka izandla bawuphi. Awungene kule account yakho ubeka isandla. Awungene ne business profile yakho ubeka isandla. Akathi umyeni wakho ulela ubeka isandla. Abathi abantu bakho balela ubeka isandla. Hamba kule business lakho ufike ulibeke endaweni yethu bese ubeka isandla. Bese ukhuluma izwi uthi baba enough is enough. I'm tired. Sengikhathele. Awubabeke incwadi zakho bese uthi baba khathele ukufeyila mina. Enough is enough. Letabila sandleni sakho. Bangakubeka isandla bekho laba. Bangakubeka isandla konke ngenzeka. Thinta lento. Beka isandla. Thinta lento. Noma ngabe uyibona imuva. Ithinte iBhayibheli lithi encwadini Exodus chapter number 3. uNkulunkulu wakadibena noMoses wathi uphathene esandleni. Wathi induku lena, wathi phonse phansi, wayiphonsa phansi, yathinta yaba inyoka, wathi bambe, yathinta yaba induku. Angazi ngikhuluma noba lento iphethe is dangerous. Lento nayo is dangerous. Somebody say I will touch you. Somebody say I will touch you. Yonke into nayo thinta. Yonke into nayo. Humble thinta. When I don't feel my lungs, I just put my hands. Esandla sinomlilo le. Ayabekho labale esandla sinomlilo le. La ufube isandla phezulu. Yonke into ithinta after today. Uzobona isandla sakho lokho. Uzobona amandla lakho lokho. In the name of I fight. I fight. I fight. I fight. Like a whisper. I fight. Firm conviction. I fight. No, I fight. ngithulile kodwa ngiyala. That's sometimes abanye bophendula kodwa la ngaphakathi. Klanga ukhumba hatela bunda kakaphala haso. Abanye babhekile nje sowuthulile hayi ukuthi awufuni ukulwa. Ngathi impi yami sengiyithatha ngiyimikisa kwenye indawo la kuphefumula mnephe. I'm just looking for a way to carry you to the place la ngazikhona ukuphila mnephe. Hayifa tell labantu man. Hayifa. Bathethe ngiyalwa ngosiyami kanti ngangithinti ngiyalwa. I always tell people ungalwa nabanye abaprofeti. I'm Sunday. Ngiyekela until you bleed. Ngiyekela until you are corner. Ngiyekela until igama lakho libe erased. If you are a mountain, I'm telling you, I trust until angakukhumbula nokukukhumbula. Angazubani olwa nawe omenze ngendaba empilweni yakho. I prophesy they will be erased. They will be removed. They will be erased. In the name of Lina manja letama. I am the Kalabando. Lina manja letama. In the name of Judges 3 verse number 2. That he even trained people, watch this now, who had no background of war. So uNkulunkulu akanda ukuthi usukaphi. Noma yathola usuka khona ben soft. But uthi la hlanza nomprofeti olwayo ubowazi ukuthi khona kutrainela kona. People who had no background for war, he trained them to fight. Angaze ngikhuluma nobani la. Egyptian actually Israelites bathi noma bafika endaweni yaseGibhithe indaba yenza ukusebenza ngoba bakwazi ukulwa. Can you imagine people who are born to fight? Ubababo igama lakuthiwa uJacob legama elithi Israel shothi bantu ababambana umuntu wabambana noNkulunkulu kwaze kwasa wamehlulekisa kodwa kuthiwa ima descendants wakhe angena kwenye indawo angalwi ahlushwa abayiziboshwa avalelwa abakhetha until a prophet was raised amongst them. Until a prophet was raised amongst them. Until a prophet was raised amongst them. Yazi mina Paula ngothola soft until a prophet was raised amongst them. Yakwazi wena bohamba ukolisa bonqese shema, but the prophet is here now. Until a prophet comes along, you will learn to fight. Yazi mina bathi yamukela uNkulunkulu uzobabona. Mina ngithi baba yonke lento isesandleni sakho. Ilwa baba in the name of they are taking what is yours. They are hijacking your destinies. I represent heaven on earth. I represent heaven on earth. So so what I'm delaying judgment because I represent heaven on earth. So to love Baba him, la Baba says Baba begesangem sam, sebaibonile lento. I must pass judgment. Every witch over your life will pass judgment now. Suffer no witch to live. In the name of they turn the land. Thrones are taken. Your biggest issue is you think a throne will be brought to you. Thrones are taken. Thrones are taken. When you're relaxing, you want people to pass it down to you. Thrones are taken. Even when Solomon was seen by David as king, Adonijah wanted to samless. Thrones are taken by fire. Even David, when he was a king, Absalom wanted to want his throne. And he kicked him out of the palace. Thrones are taken. They're waiting for people when power. Take the power, it's yours. This is mine. This is mine. Hamba tender bullet no mena so. Asobuka la tender ut. This tender is mine. This tender is mine. They will not be able to win this. This is mine. Set up an altar over it. This is mine. This is mine. Yamle. Look at the business plan. Yako. Besubuga in the short how long upon. That's what I man. You can supply water here. This is mine. When people are complaining with the problem or about a certain problem, you say, this is a problem I have a solution for. So this is mine. This is mine. You're waiting for people to say, let's call them 17. Send the CV. please leave this church with immediate effect. Please leave today, never come back. We are waiting for Spirit to say how siyakasha manje. Uyabona usazolinda. Uzamele Glenn ukuthi iyakasha. Labantu bakasha once in a while. Once after 3 years or once a year. Nakhona bakhipha into yabo 6 months, yabo 1 year. Uyolinda lento leyo kuze kube kunini. Bantu bakho bophila ngala maqosi wakho. Abo 1 year, 6 months. Hi man, please leave this church. It's not your church. Find your church. Because here is a house of territorial commanders. Lendaolena is a house of entrepreneurs. Lendaolena indawo yabantu abathi lobo kwami, I'm taking over and supply this. Indawo yama-suppliers le. You can't follow a prophet with the mentality yomuntu wasemhlabeni. The devil is a liar. Somebody shout, I'm a leader. That's good. Your destiny demands war. Be content for our destinies. Organic sasala kwelindele wena uthi uthandaze. Kuphela. Please, number 2, leave this church. I'm giving you reason to live. Reasons to live, please. If you think konke sokusotha ngomthandazo, you are wasting time. This is not your church. So number practical. There's a paper that is needed. Forge or rather work on that paper. Fight your way towards making that paper. Forge, Constance. So I'm trying to bring English. So find a way to have that certificate. Then present it. Sometimes you need more than prayer. You need a paper to enter. Find the paper and enter. Gena baba, gena baba, gena baba. It gets most of young girl. You fool in here, corner. Sometimes it's a connection that you need. Kulman about 3, 4, 5. You take them out on a business data. You get a person kulume. I just mondo. Pitch your idea until you enter. I was born to fight. What's this now? Until I win. I was born to fight until I win. Not just to fight alone, until I win. But how are you getting on which have not won yet? I will fight until heaven says mission accomplished. I'll fight until heaven says mission accomplished. I was born to fight until I win. I was born to knock on doors until I get what I want. I was born to seek until I find. Ask until I receive. I was born to win. I was born to win. Territories are conquered. You think you just come in here with a suit and grace alone and be nice and soft? Territories are conquered. People don't care who you are, where you come from. They want you to conquer for whatsoever you're willing to create. There are people you have to conquer. The Bible says you are more than conquerors, of which they are conquerors. Conquerors will not just give you the seat of being more than a conqueror. They will test you. They will fight you. They will come against you. When you can't go to tournament distinctions, Aksiga mama akola, Aksiga koko akola mshabela, Aksiga baba akola. Baba sonke siyalo masla. Konke dlalo. Ukanjo vele ungene varsity bese kuyahelela. I'm telling you phatha ikhanda ngelanga le-exam. Ukubonisa ukuthi kuyaliwa la. Impi wayikala usesibelethweni. Walwa to live under pressure and in water for 9 months. You have to fight your way. Look at you. I don't want to behind the door, conquer, Baba. Look at something and say, I'm going to conquer this. Yeah, look at Paula like this. When I did the analysis of the place and I read about everything about Whitbenger and I read everything about the Paula, but I can conquer this. But I can conquer this. But my messages as a Paula, but I can conquer this. But I hamba Paula because I'm saying not so very soon. I'm telling hamba gundala, I'm telling sugar plus in a gundalana, hamba nezalana, I can conquer this. But Father, give it to me. I can reign here. I can rule here. I got kulman about. I got some fashion lenda. But we are moving. You talk. Kufasenda. Enter as a spy, then take over. Come in as a spy, and then come back to take up. Territories are conquered. Legacies are built. Ubaba mina kangishenga the next. Bashiyela mthina. Basalibami mina babangizonthina basenze. Baba stand. Baba thinking uwe manje. Akusasiya abanye abantu. hayi mina abazali bami bangikhulisanga kahle. Ubani wakhuliswa umzali ongumAfrika la owakhula kahle? Sonke sakhula ngenye indlela baba. Sonke sikhona into off, khona into wrong. Kunenhlambe esanikezwa wona, kunenqaphi sesashawa ngalo, thina manje sasishaya ngestrobo Constance. Asikhulanga malula. Nobody had it easy. Stop staying upast yakho. Sonke sinake singakusho baba. Sonke sike salala ngepapa lilodwa. Sonke sisalala nepapa, sadla ipapa nekhabisha. Sonke sisalala singakadli. You are black enough to see this. You've been black your whole life. You can't be blinded and blindsided when it comes to this. We are born as sonke siyagoisha. No miskolo somdomnyama. We are born as sonke sigowile. When you get like it is sonke, push baba. Push baba, don't be soft. Push baba, push. Let that be good to push away now. Pastors will not help you. They will just add a few things. I'm telling you, prophecies will not change anything. They will add it. We're wasting time. You must be passionate before prophecy, during prophecy, and after prophecy. I'm telling you, if you're not passionate, in prophecy in our corner, go to my appeal. But in 6 months, this will happen. Do you know what? You're not passionate. You prophesy, told you move. Prophesy, told you bang. Prophesy, told you no. But the great things are coming, which is some taller mention. Young fika pambi let them kulma ngayo. But in matter a great person good, young tola pambi. You are a millionaire, no worries, young tola pambi. I went to them push and hard work plus faith in God is important for success. These are ingredients that you need. Hard work plus what? Faith in God. I'm telling you. Now say school when you will shine. Now say bill when you will shine. Tines outside abantu esabathola bakholo. Sishiya abantu esabathola baqala lomkhakha okushumayela. Nyanizwa masingakazalwa kodwa umsebenzi wethu siwenzile in 4 years, in 8 years, bona bakawenza in 40 years, because okunye kudinga hard work. Okunye kudinga ama-teams baba, okunye kudinga collaboration, okunye kudinga commitment, okunye kudinga consistency. Yababa, hard work plus faith in Noah didn't just build a boat. Noah didn't wait for angels to show him ukuthi ngikane ngikhombise isihlahla esiright engaqala ngaso. Wezwa uNkulunkulu akushilo wase wakho umkhumbi. Abanye benithi sengizule ukuthi na kunemvula ezayo. Yakhana umkhumbi bese ngithumela ingelosi singisize. Whosoever is with you, start building with them. Some bazovuma, some bazowala, but laba bozosala yakha nabo. Abanye ngeke bakusupport kodwa laba bakusupport ungawaste isikhathi sakho ubheka abangakusupport. Umalume unemali kodwa kamnaka ungenapho wena yakhe imali. U-Andu nemoto akasilift tjenga yakhe imoto. Buy your own car. Andi kunendlela enkulu ngakithi sihlala emkhukwini sebenza uze wakhe eyakho. Black child, I don't know when you're going to rise, but you're wasting time. Safuna boyfriend enemali. Awunayo wena imali. Safuna boyfriend, safuna girlfriend right empilweni. Ku right wena empilweni. Ufuna nje umsiso simele. Wena usimele na ngoba nawe wazi ukuthi uyasimamisa. Anani na usabalansile, usabalansela sizinto. Le mpilo idinga ukuthi nawe usimele, because you attract who you are and you attract what you deserve. So njengoba kuze idaba kangaka empilweni yakho, you attract who you are inside. Njengoba attract abantu abazihluleki nje empilweni khona okushoko la ngaphakathi kwabo. Some of the things uNkulunkulu akunikeza zona is the things, they are the things that you deserve. Abanye benu you deserve to be where you are right now, because you have thought patterns that are poorly managed. But thought patterns wakaka managed. That's why you are bad. Ngelo ukabanga kwakho angazi I bias, I vague. Ngelo ukabanga kwakho once ngelo ukabanga kwakho yaba sharp. I'm telling you, nabantu ozokhuluma nabo. Mina kunabantu engakhulumi nabo ngoba bathi ngiyabhora. because anginasikhathi sokukhuluma into engekho, nesikhathi sokukhuluma into ephilayo. That's who I attract. Even when you text me, ngibuza ukuthi angikuboni kahle, ngibuyisa manje. On Friday, umuntu ngama sexy eyes wangizwa same time. Ngathi you can't receive umbuka ngama bedroom eyes mina. Beke siyashumayela la. Akulalise besho ngathi ubuka ngamehlo kungahalela. Fire! Utshela ngishumayela mina ngendaba nawe nesikhathi sakho futhi angqeni mina. Utshela man. So you attract who you are. People must know as they come close to you. Akwenziwa lokho. Endlini yami. Mina ngikhule nje ekhaya kuthiwa khona na uhlale phezu kwasofa ungagezi. Noma yathiwa akini namasofa kodwa la ugeza kuqala kumkhalo uhlala la. Bengihlale ngibukela iTV ngingakapheki. Ekuthelisa la. Angenza umsebenzi nifike kuseni uvula iTV awukagezi nobusa awugezanga nokugeza hayi la mkhulele khona. Set the terms, set the boundaries, set the rules. You will see ukuthi bantu bakhona ukuthi wena solohamba nesituko phume esitukwini in the name of. Remember, altars are built by men, not angels. Altars are built by men, not. Your biggest issue is the altar oyifunayo ufuna ukuthi iyakhiwe bobani ama angels. Abeba wela manje babeli baqeda ukuwela iJordani wathi uNkulunkulu yeJoshua batshela bawothatha amatshe emfuleni. You don't understand this. Ngiyanibona ukuthi anikhona ukuyi-understand and ngicela uku-understandisa. Le Jordani yayifika lapha. Kuthiwa sesewele nalaba abaphethe umphoko lwezimula sebangeshe bathi jikani. Jikani niyothatha amatshe. Hayi ukuthi la manzi asuswa bekadamile. So wathatha wrong. Bongasiwabone art. Wathatha endaweni wrong because the water bekeme ngapha. Ngapha ku dry ngapha manzi uyabona ukuthi yabona la one mistake I can die. One mistake I can. About the altar yakho amalulu. Wena ufuna ukuyiselect ngawo mina ngenyenyangeni mina. Ufuna ukungihlola ngamathamba enja efile yashayiswa ilori iphethe amalahle la kwe12. Bazobamba wena yini? Awugesi nogesi somprofeta. Le prophet lo prophet okhuluma la kwa akutshela ukuthi gesi uyanuka manje. I'm too clean to be prophesied by dirty people. I'm too clean. You can't even manipulate me. I'm too clean to be manipulated by dirty people. I tell you, Satan, that you are in darkness. You can't tell me anything. I belong in the sphere of light. You are in darkness. You can't tell me anything. But don't say on Facebook. But don't say on TikTok. But prophet of woman. Block al mundo. Hlanganiswa ukukhanya nobumnyama. Hlanganiswa noma ngitshela yini khona umuntu ngibhalele mfundisi I had a dream ngamblock. Angikwazi noma ngiphuphani mina. Ngiphupha ukuthi kwenzakalena. I had a dream and ngathi alikho mnandi. Block alena. Mina ngikona ukuphupha. I'm a prophet sengaphusha uwe. I'm a prophet myself. God talk to me sengaprofeta uwe. I'm not waiting for others to prophesy me. I am in the office. When God wants to tell me anything, He will talk to me direct. He will not go through the corners. Ngiyakuvulisa baba. Ngiyakuvula amehlo ukuthi uvule nomnyango right. Wasting your time. Born to fight me. Now awuze kimi ungakuqondi. Nomkhulumi lomlonzo ngishaya manje. Chana ngala magama. That's what we need now. We're born for war. Someone comes in and tells you, "Kuti lo muzi lona uyindawo bese uthi lo wakho ke." Owakho uzoyazi. Owakho uzoyazi. Wena utshela ukuthi lona uyindawo, owakho uzoyazi. Ngoba sendaweni eyi1. So mangabe lo wama uyindawo nowakho uyindawo. Same fanana ba too close. Lokungahlasela la kungahlasela nawo. Lo wakho awuyi. Omunye hayi mfundisi isonto lakho lasePhola ngiye kwenye indawo la bengikhona khona bangiprofeta bathi lesonto lakho lasePhola bathi nibambe khona ngicela ukubuza lo mfundisi oprofeti unangakho abazalwane ngikhombisa abantu abasekufrani ngathi yena ijealous ne-envy umona abana abantu emva kwakhe fight Fight. Some things you don't have to take from people. You cannot take. Don't take criticism from people you can't take advice from. But criticize abantu against the next example. Fight. Fight. I'm not stress me. I will not bend because when you are willing to break. No, I'm not bending me now. Somebody say fire. That's God. Surrender shouldn't be in your DNA. Meaning surrender is foreign in my DNA. Phamsi izandla. Hayi, sokhathela manje. Afana ungibulala. Sikhatho phamsi izandla manje. Surrender for bani. Did Israel surrender? Mayihlaselwa manje. I-Iran or i-Iran. He surrendered. But send back amabomb. Amisha. Did they pray? Uwabona wana basestradini bathi, "Hey Jehovah Elohim." Africa is taught to pray but not prepare. That is why if we can be attacked, we can lose the continent, not just the country, because we are taught to pray. When there is a problem, we are taught to fast and pray. Whereas others, when there is a problem, they are taught how to fight back. Africa, wake up. We're not supposed to only fast and pray. We also have to prepare. Fundisa wena manje. Uyangibona ukuthi ngikhala ubabhafi. Uyangibona sengikhala ukukhumba phambi kwakho njengegwini. Ngiyajima. I pray. After prayer, I ngifuna ukuthi noma ngabe idemon lomuntu lingihlula ngofire. Bese ugoqa isibhakela bese ngithi aha. Woho. Bengufunapho. Train for everything. Train to fight in the spirit and train to fight in the flesh. There are things that don't need you to pray. They need you to fight back. Because now there is a predator against you. When a pit bull is coming, when a pit bull is coming, go for a gate. That we are moving on a pit bull. Mobile go mouse Sunday. Ungawazo kitchen. Perfect person. I don't want to some things need you to train. Some things need you to be powerful spiritually. But just saying it. Uzotumda kushusha utisha the school nungena uthi mfasi. Asiphume gate. Asiphume gate ngashuphi ngani yakho obune yakho nawo. Asiphume gate izokubamba manje. Aphinda khale ngizokubamba manje. Some people will never stop abusing you and abusing your children until you show them ukuthi ngiyakholwa kodwa ungangijwayeli kanjani. Ngakufana ngizokubamba manje. The generation we are in right now needs people to understand that we have another side. I'm telling you because ipara ngekuthandaza likubamba inkunzi. Funa ukuthi liyabamba ubamba isandla so ushanga 14 wesibhakela. 14 lizosilandelana. Adabwe isibhakela. Azahlaphuka yekele nehunga aya rehab. There are things you must understand. Lana siyakholwa siyakhonza. Kodwa mina ngani zakwethu nakungena umuntu manje la yibo ngabaphambili. Abayi bangathi umfundisi kuphela mina ngabe ngiphusa ngingilehlobo mina makuliwa elibanjwayo. Ngiyaka ngimshaya. Fight. For your life, fight. For your health, fight. For education, fight. For success, fight. Don't relax, fight. Fight. There are mountains before us. If we don't fight back until they are plains, but I bet you will fight against the same thing. Do not because it's a debt in your bloodline. So now the devil is a liar. It changes with you. It stops with you. In the name of do not retreat. Do not retreat. Sit back. No. No child of man should take a gap year. Oh, yes. No child of mine. If you are truly a son of God, there's no gap year. Oh, yes. We have to go next year. I go pass away now. We don't get up. We don't get up. Sister is anga go to this color. Best one is just 20 times and that gap year. No child of man relaxes. Oh, yes. When we scan, Tina said the same 7 in this one to open a space up. Best what back ngapha kuyaphela contract ngibe ngicela medical exit. But contract yaphela mina sengicela medical exit but akongese walinda kube next week ngiyangibambelela ngithi vele sekuphelile. Why ngangifaka kwenye indawo ngifuna ukuyena indawo ngicela ukuphuma ngapha ngiye ngapha. Nikhona kodwa ngani zakwethu. That's how we are. We move forward. Asiye emuva. Uyaphi wena emuva? Gone those days. Baba ngiphatha kahle. La ngisuka khona kwaku right. No man, iya phambili. Move. Tshela umuntu ukuthi la kwake kwama khona amanzi sekune mall. Not going back to me. So kwaba ne mall enkulu iHighfield Mall. Ayiseke indawo kune drainage. Makade afuna ukuma ahamba ne drain. Maka next la lokho akushiya kuqala kusekho sekwakho okunye la. Be consumed with what you are creating right now so that you don't go back to your past. That's good. So, number 2, do not negotiate with limitation. When something is limiting me, I push it. The problem is when something limits you, when ubana uthi hayi shothi kungenzeka ube ngivalelwa ngoba uNkulunkulu akafuni ukutshelile na ngoba niyathanda ukumkhulumela uNkulunkulu angakasho okunye uyafika kuwo it's just resistance. This thing is pushing you back but you have to fight back. Into ngazisitshela ukasivengalanga zawa zavele zawa no, they had to, even the days hour they went to hambe around for 7 times bese bashouta futhi. So some things will resist you but doesn't mean they are not yours. They are yours. But you have to be pushed and polished so that you can polish yourself so that you can penetrate and enter. Some of the things funa ukuthi ube pruned ukuze ungene kuzo. Because isikhala sokungena isincane esincane. Manje wena uza ngale shrub yakho ngathi broccoli or ibroccoli. Thamangala ama shrubs, isihlahla esingapha nangapha, kanti lapha kufuna uvele ungene so. Lesikhala lesincane esideka ungena ufohliswe ungene phakathi. Manje una weight yezinto eziningi. So uba ukuthi jika uzobuya ulungele ukungena la. MaKristu azothi awuNkulunkulu shota ngangifuni khona. Kuyenzeka kufune khona. Shase khona okuthwele. Khona kumele ukulahle bese uyabuya ngena. If I can tell you the truth, the level we are in right now, you desired it 5 years ago, but you tried ukuthi uyangena kuyo kwala washayisa wasekwenzakalani wajika wayostrainer uthe so strainile wo polished up what so right kwenzakalani yaveleza ku 11 yavela kusondela 11. Everything you have right now 5 years ago is something you screenshot or something you wished you had, and then now look so nago so can book afford this because you have worked yourself to a level that it's easily accessible now. It's now close to you. It's here because you have been polished back then. But uta uyaqele muva kwala uyakokota kwala, but it doesn't mean it's not yours. It's yours, but there is a problem. You are not the prototype of what is needed to enter on the other side. So some things funa selling up usadlala kakhulu usabheke emuva kakhulu usebanjwe emuva la unama unresolved wounds. So because of that athi uNkulunkulu ngeke ungene ngale until you fix this. So when you go prophet until kuze kulahleke lezinto lezi ezingadingeki ngale. I'm telling you, sometimes uNkulunkulu protects you not because yakuzonda, but because uyazi la uyakhona udingeka honest in a transparency. Usathena kulawo mafilisi lawo. So because you are not transparent, la ufuna ukuya khona uyavaleleka until you learn that transparency is not a threat. Transparency is important. Honesty is not a threat. Honesty is what is needed. Until uzuyeka manga, the space that needs the truth. Uyobona ukuthi abangifuni ngani kusena manga awabonayo uNkulunkulu. So ngeke ungene ngala makusena manga ngoba it's a bigger platform yohlazeka. So until you are prayerful kwamanye ama fields because le ndawo yakuyo requires prayer. Ngeke ukhona ukungena. But eyakho le ntaba. Yabona njengoba ngisho ukuthi le ntaba ingaba yiplot, ingaba yiplane. Inkinga ukwenza ukuthi ungayenzi be plane ufuna ukuyigibela ukuthi ucaka ukuthi you are late whereas you are on time. So your biggest issue is not the mountain. Your biggest issue is uphethe isikhathi kanti isikhathi saziwa uNkulunkulu. So wena uthi ngiyabambezeleka ukulwa nalento le ngiyabambezeleka ukupolisha lento le kanti ubaba ufuna isuswe uwe enakakho umunye okhona ukuyisusa ngaphandle kwakho. So that is why even when you're on the other side, you are sent back to the other side because you're not supposed to climb the mountain. You are supposed to remove the mountain. Don't climb what God told you to remove. Don't cling on things God told you to remove. Ungabambelele intweni uNkulunkulu athi siyeke uyabambeleleka. We are wasting your time ngalokho ayolibhemayo. uyazibambelela uJehova ufuna kwenye indawo, but because when addicted kulokwa inkinga lento uyazibamba. Abanye bengase nishadile, but you're over sexualizing everything, and indaba yakho ufuna ukulala nabantu abaningi iyebambelela umshado wakho, ngoba noma sekafikile all right uzokumkhombela nomunye. Engiyapi bangitshela kushisela. Don't negotiate with limitations, remove them. Ungasayina ama-treaty ne-failure. Omnye sowamukela ukuthi okunye kuyamehlula, sowamukela kuyamehlula, but awukazama. You only tried 2 times bese uyayeka. Hayi bo, nina ni-right yazi mos nina niyashelela, mos nina niphila kamnandi. You only tried 2 times, 2 consents, 2 bese uthi hayi angizalelwe kona, bese sihlabele ingoma okusalelwe nina kofika noma kushonila. Nonsense. So now go comforter, you are making a treaty with failure. Who said you should fail and accept failure? No, you shouldn't. You are not supposed to fail. You should fail to fail. You should fail to fail. Who's training logo? You will fail. You would angazi lenti legene. I fail to fail. We are ngeshulu kweshuleka. Angeshulwa yinto. Elingeqinise liphelele ukuthi wena ayikweshuli. Ukhetha wena ukuthi lokhu kuyangeshuli. Otherwise kona akweshuli. Futhi more especially the good things and the right things. I'm telling you, every one of us here knows how to eat healthy. But we choose not to. Not because we fail, because we choose not to. It's a choice. Everyone here uyakwazi ukuba healthy ukuthi yini. Angisho mos. Sonke siyakwazi. Futhi siyazi ukuthi yini engaqondisa ingqondo yethu. Siyakwazi lokho. But we choose lokho kuzosihlanyisa. Because we're so used to chaos that even peace creates chaos. When you're so used to toxicity, even peace ignites in king. You will search for faults every day when there are no faults. You will search for problems in a place where there are no problems. You see, people Banglimas, they leave their land, they go to the sea, and then they complain that they are sharks. You are in their wealth. Umuntu uyangithusa mina. uNkulunkulu wathi asihambela. Kodwa umuntu uyosukela oshaka uyalwandla. Bese uthi how ngadrowna, how lapha ngaphose ngadliwa. Boyaphi wena endaweni yamafish. Because ngabe sihamba nawe la. Umuntu akhala uthi parachute yami besayisebenza. Unika somaphiko omdiza wena. Ngoba kuthiwa walk upon the earth akathiwa ndiza. Umuntu awundo skydiving nami ngiyafuna ukusenza kodwa la ngqondweni ufuna ngabe uthi parachute yami mangifile. Because ngisukela indawo ekungayona yami. Some people don't have a problem with you usendaweni yabo. Ninje ufunani endaweni yeyiwula. Ulethe inhlakaniphi. Because abafuni. People who are fools have decided to be fools. And they have decided to be foolish. Because that's what feels good to them. When you go to their level, when ufuna kuletha inhlakanipho, the Bible it isiwula will always create problems. Some of you are dating umuntu oyisiwula, slow learner. Just because you tall, you dark, you handsome, kodwa akana ngqondo. Just because you drive imoto enkulu, kodwa akana ngqondo, you are choosing a fool over something ephilayo because you think le phila izokubhora. Ngemva kwalokho uyokuba prayer line every day. Uyogijima ma prayer line every day. Mfundisi pray for my marriage. Why sukela lento uyibona ukuthi isiwula lesi? Why akuye wazi manje sowugijimisana kunabantu abashadile, they have never prayed for umshado wabo because they chose wisdom over foolishness. But when you rush to foolishness, that's your biggest issue. Ngingitshela nonke la lokunila kulesonto leni bakhona abafundisi abadala. ungeze sonto lomfana bese ulwa nomfana. Because akhona amafundisi, amasonto abafundisi abadala, hamba khona. Ngiyangizwa ukuthi malulana ngeke besukhala ngomfana. Hayi vele ngumfana awukayinga lanza silamdala ubaba khona. La khona la nawujika nje uthi la sibonelo la ushumayela ivangeli engilithandayo na la iyakhona. Uzosalana nabantu abamina bangazi bakhula phambi kwami basebenza phambi kwami. Uyabona ukuthi isonto lomfana kani ngawuvela wehlele enzansi wayesontweni lomkhulu. Isonto leligcwele ukuthi senze njani? Sivele sivuke sibadala kusasa. Senze njani? Isonto leyuthi lesenze njani phela ngoba safuna sivuke kusasa sinesitefu sesibadala. Singaka vele. Bahlala kakhulu la nawe wawudlala mawungangathi. Nawe wawudlala you made a mistake mawungangathi siyakhula. Asawile hamba kulabantu abarayidike wena bakhona. Yalento ngoyikhuluma kangakhi le. Bakho yazi nento bakhona kunabafundisi abanye ngapha kuMoba Chaos bakhona ngenzansi na ukhuphuka so masonto amaningi kunabo Assemblies of God kunabo free kuna angazi lapha Anglican kuna wasukela EPC ba profeta kakhulu hamba laba ngaprofeti khona phela la kule sonto leli siphuma ngo5 hamba laba phuma khona ngo1 kunini sigelile ngo9 siyophuma ngo5 bakhona baphuma khona bafuthi isikhathi bahlezi basibhekini makushaw1 sibalindele umfundisi naye ukhathi ishumayela basukume bahambe. Why my khona la kule sonto leli kunikelwa kakhulu hamba la kunganikelwa khona sikhona indawo la kungane uzikhethele. Usuthi ungazihlupha vele ngento ongayithandi uzihluphela akukho kuyakhokho Moses esontweni ungena ngemali ongena emnyango bakulanda ngentambo endlini ingane nilimaza kangaka kanini umfundisi ukhuluma ngesikhuwa bakhona bakhulumisa ugogo yes ukhuluma kahle bathi buka sengifundisa isikhuwa ngoba umfundisi ulakha isikhuwa uyajabula ukuthi bantu abadala bajabule ukuthi ufundisa isikhuwa yabona lento mnandi. You choose churches, you choose partners, you choose where to work. Umuntu ngeke asebenze nje lapha egarage bese uyacomplain ayimsebenza amangothanda kwaplathina wafakwa ngenkani wasiyela egarage bekhona eminye imisebenzi engekuphelekise njengase garage but wachuza wakuphi as wafakwa yithi saya interview him sadonsa sakmixa khona. You choose the things you're complaining about. So your problem are not the things, it's you with your choices. As we are fighting, we must open our eyes. Some of the things I'm fighting for, I shouldn't be fighting for. I think I made a problem and I made the wrong decision by choosing something I have to fight. And be ready to let go. Be ready to let go. Gloria wasenzansi le enatala ukhuluma amagama nomntana uyangichaza usisi omdala ukhuluma amagama ukuthi uzufunda bononchalant nje uhlelene emjolweni obhedayo. He is nonchalant, he is silent. Uzufunda bononchalant wena uhlelileni la kungashalanteki khona. You see, we have choices. You made the wrong one. Because ubaba umntana wakhethwa ubani isikhohlakala lesimfundisi ukhohlakala lesikhohlakala wena wasitshela ukuthi I love you too wena sekufuna mina ngisithandazele ngisikhohlakale sakhethwa uwe. Hayi bro. Mthandazele umfundisi alalela ngeke alalela akalalelanga wena. Wamqoma mina bengingibani. Menzondla ingane umfundisi okay siyothandaza nje but kunekwenzeka ngondla. Kuvumele naloko ngoba ubaba ukukhuluma naye, umama kwakhuluma naye, nabazali bakhe bakhuluma naye. So ithamba lakho seyimi. Mlandela ama social worker or umyise court mina vele ngiyovela ngithi Jesu yenza intando yakho. Because you picked these people up. You chose these people. You chose to come and stay ePola. Mase kungena gas, kungena manzi suyalwa. Awuyanga ngane Akhetville, Atteridgeville or Akaville. Awuyanga ngane Lenville. Malokisha angaka kunasezinambeni. Awuyanga ngane khona. Now why khona wa choose iPola? iPola is a standalone location. Uyayibo is a standalone location. Ismail iPola isekwa ioffice encane. iPola Ismail emalokisha seWitbank. Now waya la wakhetha ukuzohlala kuphi? Ukomplainelani? Why do you complain? These are choices you have made. As you are fighting, realize, oh, is this worth fighting for? Is this something to fight for? Is it something I should be fighting for? It's not mine. This is not mine. I shouldn't be fighting for this. Because